Morning! What you got there? What you got there in your hands? Good morning!
Good morning!
Is that a basket? Is that a basket to collect Easter eggs?
Being shy. Yeah, Rusty's medicated bumper ointment.
Let's show everybody what we're going to go look for. It's Easter morning, 2010. And the Easter bunny came. The eggs are gone. And it's warm enough to go outside, because that's where the Easter bunny put them.
Easter bunny took our eggs. Let's go find them.
Let's go find them.
Let's go find them.
Probably in the back.
Yeah, they're probably in the backyard back here.
Probably in the front or in the back door.
Yeah, probably. You know how Easter bunnies like grass.
Somebody's doing their lawn already.
Alright, let's see if we can find some. I don't know. The Easter bunny hides them pretty good. Do you see any? Turn it. Is there any over there or anything? Oh, you found one! Put it in your basket. What about over?
Don't tell me another one.
Oh, you found another one. Good job, Jakey.
What color's that one, Jacob? Show me. Show me that one that you just found. Can you show me?
Let's go over here and see if we can see some.
I see them.
I don't know. I don't see any.
Show it to me, Jakey. Yeah.
Another one.
Which one's that? Pink. Wow.
That's pink.
And then another one.
Oh, wow. He didn't hide them very good, did he? You're having no troubles.
I'm good at it, Daddy. I went to 2 Easter egg hunts this week already.
Wow.
And now
that's
one
getting
today.
heavy. That's getting heavy. There's probably more. There's probably more.
Did we count them? Did we count them? I think we had at least 10.
Wow. There you go. Getting heavy. Good job. I think you might have got them all.
Can I get a shot of your basket? Can I get a shot of your basket? Oh, can't see with the sun. Turn around. Come over here in the shade. Ah, 10 Easter eggs.
Hey Jacob, Daddy left you a basket. He probably left that inside. You want to see if we can find that one?
I think he might have left one extra gift too that you need to look for. So you need to look for 2 things inside.
Uh-oh. Was there any more eggs? Was there...
Oh my goodness.
That sneaky little devil.
That sticky little devil.
That was a good hiding place, wasn't it?
That good hiding place. It's a bunny tuck 'em.
Yep, you found them all. Look at all those eggs. Woohoo!
Yeah. Probably in a back.
Good job, Jakey.
Well, let's.
In a back of one.
Yeah, alright, let's see if we can find your
Do you want me to
Easter
take
basket.
that basket and you go find your Easter basket?
Alright, let's see what else we can find. What is that?
Oh my goodness.
What is that? Look at that.
Oh,
Oh no, and look at that. What is that? Is that some candy or
That's
something?
something else too.